Hi friends, welcome to yassoftware. Today we are going to see how to convert an image to 3D model in 3dsmax. It's very easy tips. I will show you how to do. Select the image, what type of 3D you want. Then open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, select the pixel. Right click, make work path. Give the value between 3 to 4. I'm giving 3.5. Okay. Yeah, disable the image. Yeah, we're getting a path. Then export the image to a form. Okay, open the 3ds max. Okay, import the AI form. Open. Merge object with current scene, then single object or multiple object. Yeah. Q extrude. It's very easy tips friends. Give the some extrude value. Okay friends. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more update videos. Thank you.